In this lesson, we will learn how to download a dataset from Hugging Face. For that, we will use the Datasets library. Let us see. A dataset refers to a collection of structured data which can be used for training, evaluating, or testing machine learning models. So Hugging Face is having a lot of datasets on its platform which can be used for various use cases like NLP. We will use the Datasets library to download a dataset from Hugging Face. Let us see. First, let us see the datasets. Go to the Hugging Face website /datasets. So these are the datasets provided by Hugging Face. You can see a lot of them. Let us see how we can download it. So we will go to the same platform, Google Colab, which we have used before in this tutorial. Here it is. Okay. So this is the notebook we already created. In this, first we install the datasets library. I already told you how to install it on Google Colab using the pip command. After that, we loaded a dataset using the load_dataset function. This function can download datasets from the Hugging Face hub or load them from local files. We are downloading a dataset from the Hugging Face hub right now. Here it is. Okay, here we are loading the IMDb dataset. After that, I am printing the dataset using the print method. Here we are importing the load_dataset function. This provides access to various public datasets like IMDb in this case. Here we are loading the IMDb dataset. The IMDb dataset contains movie reviews labeled as positive or negative for sentiment classification. When you will run, it will automatically download and process the dataset. Here we are printing the dataset. This will split the dataset into train and test. Okay, that is it will display an overview of the dataset including the number of samples in each split. Let us see. After running, here it is showing us the structure of the IMDb dataset as dataset dictionary, which organizes the dataset into different splits. The train contains 25k rows with features text for movie reviews and label for sentiment like positive or negative. Here for test, that is 25k rows for testing purposes with the same features. It contains 50k rows, but this split typically doesn't have labels for sentiment analysis. It's often used for tasks like pre-training or semi-supervised learning. In this way, guys, we can download a dataset